When it comes to transforming a home's interior, few upgrades deliver as much beauty, light, and functionality as bay windows. Homeowners in Sumter are discovering that these timeless features not only elevate a room's style but also create practical spaces that make daily living more enjoyable. Whether your home is traditional or modern, bay windows offer a perfect blend of elegance and comfort. Expanding natural light and views. One of the greatest benefits of installing bay windows in your Sumter home is the abundance of natural light they invite indoors. Unlike flat windows, bay windows extend outward, capturing sunlight from multiple angles throughout the day. This brightens living spaces naturally, reducing the need for artificial lighting while creating a cheerful, welcoming atmosphere. Bay windows also frame outdoor views like a living picture. Whether you enjoy the lush greenery of your yard, the vibrant streets of downtown Sumter, or peaceful neighborhood scenery, a bay window turns the outdoors into part of your interior design. Creating more space and functionality. Bay windows aren't just beautiful, they're functional. The outward projection creates additional interior space that can be used in a variety of ways. Many homeowners choose to install a cozy reading nook, complete with cushions and pillows, to take advantage of the natural light. Others design window seating with built-in storage, combining comfort and practicality. In kitchens, a bay window above the sink provides both extra counter space and a bright, airy feel while cooking. In bedrooms, they can create a serene spot for morning coffee or a personal retreat after a long day. This versatility makes bay windows a smart choice for almost any room in your home. Enhancing your home's style. From an interior design perspective, bay windows add architectural character and charm. They draw the eye outward, making rooms appear larger and more open. With their distinctive angles, bay windows can serve as a dramatic focal point, perfect for highlighting decor or displaying plants. In Sumter, where many homes blend Southern tradition with modern touches, bay windows adapt seamlessly. They complement classic colonial-style houses with graceful lines and bring sophistication to contemporary designs. Homeowners can choose from various frame materials and finishes, such as wood, vinyl, or fiberglass, to match their personal style. Boosting energy efficiency. Modern bay windows are designed with more than beauty in mind. High-quality installations include energy-efficient glass and advanced insulation, helping to regulate indoor temperatures year-round. For Sumter's warm summers and cool winters, this means better comfort and lower energy bills. By upgrading to energy-efficient bay windows, you'll enjoy brighter spaces without sacrificing climate control. It's an investment that pays off both in aesthetics and long-term savings. Increasing property value. Home improvements should always add value to your property, and bay windows deliver on that front. Real estate professionals often highlight them as desirable features because they combine luxury with practicality. A well-designed bay window not only makes your home stand out in the Sumter market but also leaves a lasting impression on potential buyers. Even if you're not planning to sell soon, knowing that your investment enhances your home's value provides peace of mind. Why Sumter homeowners choose bay windows? Bay windows offer the perfect combination of style, light, and functionality. They enrich everyday living while aligning with the Southern charm that Sumter homes are known for. By working with professional installers, you can ensure your new bay windows are custom-fit to your home, designed to maximize both beauty and performance. Whether you want to brighten a living room, create a cozy nook, or add sophistication to your home's design, bay windows provide an elegant solution that truly transforms interiors. Final thoughts. Enhancing your home's interior with bay windows in Sumter is more than just a design choice, it's a lifestyle upgrade. From capturing natural light to offering versatile spaces and increasing property value, bay windows redefine the way you experience your home. For homeowners who want comfort, beauty, and functionality all in one, bay windows are a timeless investment.